Okay, we're now going to look at example 3. I have 3x minus y equals 3, and I have x equals negative 3y, negative 1/3 y plus 1. So this time my y is on the wrong side, right? So I want ax plus by equals c. So I want my y over with my x. So to do that, I need to add my 1/3 y to both sides. Okay, again, x and y cannot be added together, so I have x plus 1/3 y equals 1. Just like in example 2, we don't really like that fraction, so we're going to get rid of the fraction by multiplying by the denominator. So in this case, my denominator is 3. So I'm going to multiply through 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 1/3 y is going to give me 1y. And 3 times 1 is 3. So I'm going to rewrite that over here. So I have 3x plus 1y equals 3. And now I'm going to rewrite my first equation. Okay, so 3x minus y equals 3. Okay, now I want to have opposite coefficients. So I have 3x, and I have 1 and 1y and negative y, which if you remember, negative y is really just negative 1y. Hey, so I actually do have opposite coefficients already because I have positive 1y and I have negative 1y. So I don't actually have to do anything there except for go straight to adding my two equations together. So 3x and 3x is going to give me 6x, 1y and negative 1y is going to give me 0. 3 and 3 is going to give me 6. Now I want to solve for x, so I'm going to divide by 6 to both sides, and x is going to be 1. Okay, once I have my first variable, I'm going to use that variable and plug it into one of my equations to get my second variable. So I'm going to do 3x minus y equals 3. I'm going to plug this in for x. So I have 3 times 1 minus y equals 3. 3 times 1 is 3 minus y equals 3. So I need to subtract 3 to both sides to get 0 here. So I have negative y equals 3 minus 3. Well, that's 0. Okay, it's okay. Having 0 is not a bad thing. I need to divide by negative 1. Well, 0 divided by negative 1 is still just, y. So 0 divided by negative 1 is still just 0. And remember, don't forget our last thing where we need to make it a point. 1, 0 is my point. Okay?